Thanks for watching the video. As always, subscribe. What we have here is we have a micro conversion kit for a Glock 17, 18, 19, 19X, 22, 23, 31, 32, and a 45. This thing is actually pretty sweet because when you can't get those long range shots off free-handed, you take your Glock, fold it out, pop it in, slide it forward, and lock her in. Now you basically have a rifle. You have a extra mag holder actually built into it. And it's a pretty sweet little conversion kit. And like I said, it gives you a stabilizer to be able to pull it into your arm, and there's actually a little groove right here that helps you pull it tight into your armpit, and you can get a real steady shot like that. But yeah, $200, this little micro conversion kit. It's just something really cool. It's got tactical rails on 3 sides. At first it was really hard for me to get used to it, but as you play with it more and more, it becomes pretty easy to, and slides right out. Slide it back in. Boom, ready to go. Another cool thing about this is it folds up to be micro compact. So, I mean, yeah, so I mean, it's pretty micro. This would actually probably fit inside of a larger purse. Slides right under your front car seat, fits right there, and folds out. So I mean, it's a cool little thing. It runs around $200. Again, it's a micro conversion kit made by MCK. Not advertising it. The first time I ran it, it actually didn't cycle, but after the first time running it, after the first mag or two, it's spat them right out after that, and I haven't had it hiccup since. So it's actually a cool little kit, in my opinion. I think it's actually got a place here where you can put it on a tripod. But yeah, cool. Check it out if it's something you like. And cool thing is it just fits so many different Glock models, but Glock has kind of a universal design, so that's the one cool thing about Glock. And don't forget to subscribe to Camo 4x4s on YouTube.
We are literally defying the laws of nature.
Let's make some racket.
Don't worry about it.
I can't get back on stage.
Fancy dining car, drinking coffee, and smoking big cigars. Well, I know I had it coming.
Yeti does not smoke.